name is John Bigay. I am Native American and my tribe is Shoshone and Navajo. I want to talk to you about my environmental company, Planet Green. At Planet Green, we provide solutions to energy and environmental problems. See, we're literally in a global energy crisis right now. Currently, there is more of a need for self-sustaining energy systems than ever before in history. Systems that don't deplete and destroy the environment. Right now at Planet Green, we are working on the most effective solutions to provide self-sustaining energy systems through wind and solar power. We use and harness this energy created by natural resources to create technologies and systems that provide power sources throughout whole communities. Several uses are available through these sources. The uses range from everyday electricity to purifying tainted water supplies. We even have the ability to provide emergency mobile energy in terms of natural disaster and crisis. We're always expanding our natural energy sources and use the best technologies available. We started in the humble tribal community in Wells, Nevada, and our goal is to expand our solutions on a local, national, and global level, bringing you a greener, brighter, more self-sustaining planet and future. Call Planet Green today at 801-598-7374.
Okay, this is what we got done today. This is Buzz Begay, Chief, Owner, and CEO, and Shoshone Chief. So we got this new planter box in, as you can see. And we got this one all taken care of too. Now you can see the whole interior of the greenhouse is insulated. We're using this tarp-like material to do it. And so yeah, you know, this time next year this development should be up and going. Really cleaned up from what it is now. But yeah, anyways, that's it. What's the date today?
It's 9th or the 10th, I think.
Yeah, October 9th, we're signing off. This is where we're at today. Tomorrow we're going to work on it some more and make some more progress.
Yeah.
I hope.
It's so essential that people get power, light, and also clean water. And if we can bring power in a large scale, then you can save a lot of people's lives and ultimately make people's lives a lot better. And that's what we're all about.
Beautiful. Perfect.
With that goal in mind, Green Wave Energy Corp introduces two cutting-edge renewable energy platforms. First, the World Power System, a mobile, self-sufficient power system which can be set up just about anywhere on the planet and functions within minutes. Producing more than 1,000 kilowatts of power per month, this system is designed to replace those noisy, polluting diesel generators. Perfect for emergency and disaster response teams or construction sites, it can easily be modified to power a home or commercial business.
Let it catch the sun and the wind, and you're off and running.
At this Hollywood Street Fair, for example, the World Power System is running the lights on the main stage out front while firing up a blender, a microwave oven, and an air conditioner off to the side. And it does so quietly, odor and exhaust free, and without costly petroleum refills.
So we're just coming out?
Our second solar and wind platform is the World Light Pole. It too is self-sufficient, able to work in the most isolated and remote locations. And once in place along, say, a hiking trail, or in a campground, or around the perimeter of a shipyard or construction project, it can provide not only light, but run security cameras, cell phone, Wi-Fi, and satellite signaling devices as well. The World Light Pole can provide an island of safety in an emergency, and it does so quietly and with little or no carbon footprint. You just place it where you need it, and the sun and the wind do the rest.
The beauty of this pole is you take that wherever you want to go, drop it in, so long as you get sun and wind, you've got energy.
It's great to see something that's actually is green.
It's an awesome setup. I think it's an awesome concept.
The World Light Pole and the World Power System from Green Wave Energy Corp. Cost-effective and green, and taking us another giant step away from foreign oil dependence.
Our fuel prices will never go up because essentially we don't use fuel. The fuel is already there. It's flowing around us all the time.
For more,
There are 7 billion people on our planet, and over 1 billion have no access whatsoever to clean drinking water. People are dying every day and living shortened lives in misery because they don't have access to clean drinking water. Electricity and power are keys to having a sustainable water system. However, in various regions of the world, people don't have access to an electrical grid infrastructure, mainly because it's too remote, or it's just too expensive to build one. In addition, many people live in remote locations where it's impossible to build an electrical grid infrastructure, and trying to generate power using diesel generators is just way too expensive. The bottom line is that there are millions of people who don't have access to power. Without access to power, these people have no hope at all of gaining access to clean, uncontaminated water. The problem is epidemic. Without a solution for nearly 1 billion people living without access to clean water, this problem is going to keep growing, just like the number of inhabitants that we have on this blue planet. The future for many people on this planet is grim. We're talking misery, disease, famine, shortened lives for billions of people. In a world of high-tech computers, planes that travel at the speed of sound, and rockets that can launch people into space, we still have not solved one of our most basic problems on this planet: clean drinking water for everyone. Until now. Greenwave Energy Corp has developed the World Water System, a system that can provide clean, drinkable water just about any place on the planet. Using both the sun and wind, the World Water System can provide clean, drinkable water just about anywhere on the planet, and do so in a very cost-effective manner. The Greenwave World Water System does not need to be connected to an electrical grid and does not need to be powered by a diesel generator. Rather, powered by the sun and wind, it can provide clean, drinkable water just about any location on the planet. The World Water System is mobile, can be transported on the back of a truck, and is extremely cost-effective. Here's how it works. This remarkable system is composed of two parts: the power system and an FCI water maker, one of the best water makers in the world. The power system is portable, and this particular system is rated at 8,000 watts. With our system, we can provide consistent electrical power in the most remote locations around the world after any type of natural disaster. The second component of the World Water System is the FCI water maker. Powering our water maker here is a 15-amp outlet on a panel inside of the power system. At 120 volts, the peak amount of power that the outlet can handle is 1,800 watts. So let's take a look at the unit itself. This red hose attached to this small pump is sucking salt water directly from Newport Bay. The salt water is being pumped directly into the water maker, passing through a 20-micron filter and then a 5-micron filter to remove as much sediment as possible. The water is then pushed at an extremely high pressure, around 700 psi, against a membrane, which actually removes the salt from the water. The water that is not pushed out through the membrane is discharged out a hose. The water that is pushed through the membrane comes out as clean, uncontaminated drinking water. We chose Newport Bay salt water for this demonstration because salt water is the most difficult kind of water to desalinate. Every other kind of water, river, swamp, and even highly mineralized desert water, is far easier to clean than salt water. So if we can do it with salt water, we can do it even easier with any other kind of water. We intend to start building various models of the World Water System that can produce up to 22,500 gallons of clean drinking water per day. The Greenwave World Water System is simple, efficient, and cost-effective. We believe the World Water System is a solution that will vastly improve the lives of millions of people around the world.
Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall and the major lift. The baffled king composes